Hello children. In this class we are going to start the chapter parts of a plant. Write the names of two food items which can be made with wheat, carrots and potatoes. You can write the food item that is made by wheat, carrots and potatoes that you eat. Okay. Our body is made up of different parts. A plant's body too has different parts. Read the names of the different parts of a plant. Figure 6. Okay, look at the picture here. This is a whole plant and it has mainly two parts, that is shoot and root. Here shoot and root. The part of a plant which grows above the ground is called the shoot, and the part which grow below the ground is called the root. The shoot has stem, branches, leaves, buds and flower fruits. Okay. We divided a plant into two mainly parts. One is root and the other is shoot. The part which grow under the ground is called root, and the part which grow above the ground is called shoot. Shoot has also many parts like bud, flower, branch, fruit, leaf, stem, etc. So let's read more about it. Root. There are two types of root, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from the main root, it is a taproot. There are two types of roots. Here you can see here, that is taproot. We call it taproot. Taproot. In a taproot, a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small root grows from the main root. And in the fibrous root, a number of root grows from the stem. Some example of taproot are balsam, bean, mustard, etc. Here you can see they are all taproot, carrot, etc. and it is a fibrous root. An example of fibrous root is grass, wheat, rice, onion, etc. Now we are going to know about functions of root. The first function of root is root help to fix plant firmly in the soil. The roots take hold of the soil and they help the plants when the water or air blows them. The next function of the root is root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Now look at the picture. You can see the roots are absorbing minerals and water. If the roots are absent, the plant grows dry. There are some plants those who stored food in their roots, and we ate that part of the plants like turnip, radish, carrot, etc. Now came to the stem. The main function of stem is to hold the plant upright and support its branches. You can see this is a coconut tree and its stem hold the tree upright. There are some stems that are hard, like coconut. This is a stem of a coconut, and like neem, this is a stem of neem, and they are very hard, and they are called trunk. And there are many plants like money plant. Money plant, their stems are very weak. They need support to grow straight. The next function of stem, that it carries water to the leaves. You can see here, water enters through the root. The water in the soil enters in the root, and it travels through the stem to the leaves, and the water is used in photosynthesis, that uh, the process of making food, and some water escapes by evaporation. Similarly, the stem also carries food from uh, leaves to other part of the plant. As it carries water, it carries also food. Some plants store their food in the stem, like you can see here. This is a picture of sugarcane. The part we eat of the sugarcane is actually the stem of its plant. And there are plants like potato. Potato is actually a stem of the root. It stored food. The potato plant stored food in the in potato that is a stem of the stem of the plant. And plants also like ginger is also the stem of the plant. So that's why we eat that part of ginger, potato, and sugarcane. Now came to the leaf. It is the most important part of the plant, and the flat and broad part of a leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. This is called lamina. ওপরের যে অংশটা আছে এই গোটা অংশটাকেই বলে লিফ ব্লেড বা ল্যামিনা. That is a main vein in the middle of a leaf, and some side veins are grow attaching to the main vein. The work of this vein are to carry food and water to leaf, and it is called stalk. By stalk, the leaf is attached to the stem. Why plant is important? Why leaf is important to a plant? Because it prepare food for the plant with the help of water, sunlight, and air, and this process is called photosynthesis. And that's why the leaf is called the kitchen of the plant, or the food factory of the plant. Some plants store their food in their leaves, like cabbage. It is a picture of cabbage and spinach and lettuce. They all store their food in their leaves. That's why we eat the leaves of those plants. So leaves help the plant to prepare its own food, breathe, and give out extra water. Next part is the flower. This is the most beautiful and important part of the plant. You you can see many flowers around you, and most of the flower grow into fruits. That's why the farmers were happy when any tree contains flower, because after the flower the fruit comes into the tree. Now came to the parts that fruits of seed. Fruits have seed inside them, and the flowers are close to the fruits. You can see here, this is a flower, and it is a pear flower. Pear flower goes to the fruit. How you can see here, this is a flower, and this is the fruit of pear. It gradually grows, and that's how the fruits came up here. There are some fruits like mango, those have only one seed, and there are some fruits like oranges, they have few seeds, and fruits like papaya, they have many seeds, and there are very few fruits that have no seed. Most plants grows from seeds. The new plants are generally grows from the seed of the uh, same type of plant. The in the inside of a seed there is a baby plant, and when the seed get enough warmth, air, and heat, the baby plant start growing, and it's grow until fully grown. That's how a seed grow into a fully grown plant. You can see first it grows its roots, and then it's gradually came above the ground, and then its leaves are growing. You can see here, this is very beautiful. The leaves are grow, and it gradually grow to the fully grown plant. Okay, let us say it again. The different plants of the different parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. নানা রকম পার্টগুলো হচ্ছে root, stem, leaves, flower and seed. Plants have either taproots or fibrous root. আমরা বলেছি দু রকমের রুট হয়, একটা ট্যাপ রুট, একটা হচ্ছে ফাইব্রাস রুট. The root fixes the plant in the soil. They take in water and salt from the soil. রুটের কাজ হলো তাদেরকে ফিক্স রাখা, প্ল্যান্টকে ফিক্স রাখা, আর ওয়াটার সয়েল থেকে ওয়াটার এবং সল্ট নেওয়া. দ্য স্টেম সাপোর্ট দ্য ব্রাঞ্চেস. স্টেম সাপোর্ট করে ব্রাঞ্চগুলোকে. দ্য লিফ মেক্স দ্য ফুড ফর দ্য প্ল্যান্ট. দ্য পাতা খাবার তৈরি করে গাছের জন্য. দ্য ফ্লাওয়ার গ্রোস ইন্টু ফ্রুট. দ্য ফ্রুট হ্যাজ সিডস ইন ইট. এবং ফ্লাওয়ারগুলো থেকে ফ্রুট তৈরি হয়, এবং ফ্রুটের ভেতরে বীজ থাকে. ওকে স্টুডেন্টস, দ্যাটস অল for now. We will do the exercises in the next class. Thank you.